Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video, you guys, and I am back doing hair care product reviews. Products that I've been trying out, that I've been loving, that I haven't been loving so much. But today I am reviewing a gel that I have really been liking since returning back to relaxed hair. So you guys know how much I love Organic Root Stimulator, ORS. I am a OG user of ORS. Y'all know I've been using their products for years and years and years. And what I've noticed throughout the years, ORS has always kind of like introduced new products to their line, which I really enjoy when they do that. But sometimes I don't, because y'all have discontinued some items that I have loved back in the day, and you guys don't carry them anymore. But you know, that's neither here nor there. And today, you guys, I am reviewing the ORS Olive Oil Sleek Smoothing Ultra HD Gel. And you guys, this gel is a lot different from all the other gels that I've used in the past and had in the past. And I'm going to tell you why it's different. For one, what I really love about this gel is that it's infused with castor oil for strengthening. Okay, and that's something that I definitely love to see when it comes to gel products, because those kind of products we tend to use on our edges and on our hair, on the whole entire strand for, you know, smoothing out baby hairs and smoothing out flyaway hairs. And sometimes gels that don't have the best ingredients can actually dry out, harden, and break your hair off. And this definitely didn't give me those characteristics when using it. So the castor oil was definitely number one for me. It says our exclusive moisture locking wet gel features our signature olive oil infused with castor oil plus our creatine complex to strengthen and promote healthy looking hair. Ultra HD gel sleek smoothing transforms edges and dull hair into sculpted styles with extra firm hold. Shine and long lasting, high definition. Great for smoothing edges or creating the perfect ponytail updo or top knot styles. What I really love about ORS is that they make products for natural and relax. So, you know, all of the products can be used by anyone with any hair type or any chemical process that you may have. So that's what I really love. So on here, it definitely says for natural and relaxed hair, and I can definitely, you know, raise my hand to that, because I use ORS products when I was natural and when I was relaxed. So my main experience with using this product here is while I am back relaxed. So I've been back relaxed since December 2019, and I've been testing this out for 2 months, y'all, and so far I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. So this is moisture locking in high definition styles. That's what it can be used for. And what I really love also in the ingredients here, I see the first thing is aqua, and I normally don't see that in a lot of gels. And this is a wet gel. Okay, it's a wet gel. So, and also this gel is very thick. When I first got the tub, I was like, whoa, this tub is heavy. And it's some thick stuff. And I will say from my personal experience, a little bit of this did go a long way for me. What I can definitely tell is that I have layered this gel, and it did not cause me any dryness or any breakage with the amount of use that I put on my hair. And say I still have a little bit of the gel on my hair from the day before, I noticed that it did not flake up or cause any kind of like white hue on my hair like some other products may if you layer the product. So I did notice that. And the number one thing that I really loved with this is that it gave me a soft feel to my hair. It didn't feel dry or hard or rough. You know how some gels, when you apply them, they make your hair feel a little bit dried out and like rough to touch and like hard, like solid rock hard. Even though you can get an extra firm hold with this gel, for me, when I used it, it gave me a very soft to touch, just like a healthy feel, because I know gels can dry out my hair and just make it feel really hard, like yucky kind of feel that you get with some gels. And I noticed that I did not get that with this. So this is great for me on my edges. I love using it just to tame my edges and give myself a sleek style, especially around my edges, and I want to do a little swoopy swoop here or there. Like, it gives me a nice natural baby hair swoop, because even though after I apply it, my hair is still movable if I choose to move it, but it also stays put if I don't manipulate and touch it, of course. And my hair, it just always feels really hydrated and soft around the edges. And I really love that it really adds some really nice shine to my edges, because I've used this on days when I've worked out the day prior or earlier in that day, and it kind of like really transformed and juicified my edges from sweating them out earlier, especially when I'm a few weeks post. This performed really well. I was a couple weeks post relaxer. This gel also clumped my curls together really well and really helped me smooth out my hair to, you know, do styles as far as my edges goes when I have some new growth. So I was really pleasantly surprised about that, because normally when I have new growth, it's really hard to, you know, slick them down or put any kind of edge control on them and have it stay. So yeah, I really enjoyed that part of it. On here, it does say that you can do sculpted styles with this for extra firm hold, and long lasting styles. You can do and create the ponytails, your updos, top knot styles, and all that good stuff. And I really do like using this gel, especially after I finish off my style. So say if I do like a ponytail like I did like this, I'll put some on my edges, work that in, and just put a little bit more right here, and it really helps tame those flyaways too. So my main use for this is kind of like my daily manipulation and wear of this gel, but what I did read on the back of this is for sculpting use. So if you want to sculpt and mold your hair, the directions say for sculpting, apply gel to wet hair and sculpt. Mold or define your style as desired. Sit under a heated hooded dryer until hair is completely dry. And then of course it does have instructions on how to use the product in general for your edges. And that is apply and smooth with fingers, small toothbrush or brush to hold the style. And it definitely did that. And also y'all, what I did notice is that when I do apply the gel, I don't have to put a scarf on it to hold. Without any use of a scarf or a hooded dryer or anything like that. So I just applied it directly to my hair, and this is how it worked out for me without tying a scarf around my edges. So imagine if you did do that, how laid it would really be too. So I do want to bring up again, this is a wet gel, so this would be great for molding. Like definitely it works great when you want to do a twist out. I did a twist out using a little bit of this gel just to see how it would work, and it worked out really well. It gave me some really nice definition. I do feel like naturals can definitely use this for those wash and goes, for any style that requires any extra hold. I can definitely see using this for a bomb twist out or braid out on natural hair would be like beautiful, okay, because it has a really nice hold. It doesn't make my hair, me personally, the way I use it, it didn't make it feel like fragile or dried out. It was very moisturizing. So I can definitely see this being used on natural styles as well, such as, you know, your twist outs, your braid outs, bantu knots. I can definitely see this working in even wash and goes. I see it working really well. Not sure how this would work on if you have your hair blown out or silk press. But if you've tried this and you are natural, let me know in the comments. Yeah, y'all, I really like this gel. I like it when I am freshly relaxed and when I'm a couple weeks post, because it just gives my hair a really nice moisturized feel. Like not once did my hair ever feel like really dried out or crunchy or to the point where I couldn't move it, you know, because that's definitely not what you want. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And all information about this product will be down in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time.